So between the rain and getting away, that's not my words. You're not gonna use that clip. Hey guys, welcome to Rotor Riot. I'm traveling Europe with Steele here, and we're in Ireland. We are here staying with Keith and Dave. They mentioned that they don't know how to do a proper dive.
Teach me how to dive.
We're gonna teach them how to dive.
Hold on, just stand still. Let me chop this off real quick.
I've
like
never actually tried to dive before. I only race. I don't know how to only go down. If I'm ever diving down, I'm lining up to go into a gate, or I'm coming out of a power loop, or coming out of a split S.
Something that's kind of interesting to get used to is that like you can still steer, and I think that like when we're trying to learn it, we like poke down and we're just like, oh, I gotta fall.
Yeah.
But it's like you can actually kind of cruise it, and if you think about how your camera's set up, like you're actually propelling yourself down a bit, so it kind of changes a bit. But the basic thing that I keep in mind when I'm trying to do just like a normal split S dive, and I kind of think that's the easiest way, is like go up, roll, and then fall back through it that way. Pretend there's like a backboard, like a basketball backboard, so you want to like go. And that's one way you can cheat it, is like actually try to overshoot the hole. So you're gonna go past it, you're gonna roll, and then you're gonna bounce on that backboard by blipping the throttle. So you're gonna catch yourself, and it's not gonna look that pretty when you're learning, because when you catch yourself, you're gonna get that prop wash, and you're gonna like kind of shave off that momentum. So you go, catch yourself, and then you can fall through it.
Should I be trying to fall vertically, or should I be, if this is a pretty big hole, so.
I like to be very vertical. I think it looks good if the lens is pointing like straight down, but if you go past it, then you'll kind of go through it, and that's okay. And what's nice about
Until the exit.
Well, that is something that's good about this.
12 trees around the exit.
You've got so many exits, because normally, like with certain dives, you got one exit, and this, like, pick your direction, and you can adjust all you want. Just don't.
Got many trees to hit.
Pick a trunk. Yeah, you got all that you can hit. Let's hit all the trees.
All the trees.
You also got this nice open area, which is cool, so you can think about, you know, what it looks like. Just go up, point it down, do a little dive, pull out, kind of just get used to the look. And then when you're ready to go for it, just go up, past it. There's this backboard. There, I caught myself, and then you can get yourself lined up. So,
that's terrifying.
You know, going higher than it gives you more time to like look and steer through it, but then you get kind of freaked out. So you just gotta pick your height. So I'm gonna go for it this time. Just gonna go up. Backboard.
Nice.
And then I had to steer out, and I got lucky. That was luck. So I'm looking at this right here. See that split between that and that? That's a nice reference point.
You know what? I think I might do that first.
So that's a nice reference point. You can drop in, because it's really big, so you've got the room to do that. So I'm gonna pick that as my reference point to kind of aim it.
U-shape there.
Then we go up, hit that backboard, and fall. Into the tree. So that's all you get. You have to go for it just from that.
Okay. I'm more terrified than I was before I watched that.
I'm confident I can do exactly what he just did. I can do this.
You can do this. You got the power pose? Oh, you usually sit when you fly?
Oh, I always sit when I fly.
You got it. You're doing a new trick and a new pose.
New trick, new pose, new everything.
With new friends?
With new friends.
He's going straight forward. He didn't waste no time. Just spotting it.
Okay.
See if you can see Adam on your way down.
And
yes!
Yeah! Dude,
you made it to the ground.
You had the exact right idea. You just found yourself some leaves to make
found myself some leaves on the way down.
What did we say? We talked about new friends?
Yeah.
You found some. You found a whole branch of them.
Fresh pack, feeling confident. Okay, let's do this thing.
Let's do it.
So the smoother the better. You don't want to like get to the bottom and then blip throttle, because you'll blip up into the trees.
You kind of want to just introduce it as you're coming in.
So you're ramping back on pitch and ramping up on throttle, like very slowly.
Going for it, straight away.
Oh, almost saved it. Almost saved it.
I can't save no video. I'm trying to do the Steele power pose. I always sit when I fly, so the power pose.
We're gonna need your help with this tutorial. Can you teach us how to do the power pose?
So you need to get out of the way. And there's two ways you can do it. You can come at it from this side. I kind of know where the hole is already. And you pop in.
Tight.
Oh yeah,
that was tight.
That's the shizzle.
But there's like areas where it's not as tight.
Save.
How? What was that?
This hole right here.
Wow.
That is probably the easiest way to do it.
Power loop it.
No, I'm just saying coming in from this side and then diving through that.
Do you think it's better to power loop or split S like I was doing?
I think if you came from the backside and then split S into it, it'd probably be pretty easy. But I still think power looping is, but I wouldn't recommend it for someone that's...
I think you learn on the split S and then you can do a power loop as like a different way that's...
But I do think this direction, I think that direction, because this direction, let's see if we go in from this side. What's really hard is to come in and then go down like this.
Yeah, I kept hitting
all the way back.
What's the best angle? Maybe come in from this side. I like going high, going 0 throttle.
Any tips for steering on the way down?
You just kind of hold 0 throttle, start drawing on the throttle as you're going through the hole. Just don't get overzealous with the throttle and try to punch it at the end. I'm cold, I'm shaking.
Yeah! Did you just pull through that? That was nuts.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, man.
Ready to not hit the trees. I need to familiarize myself with
take your time.
inside here.
Get used to it.
When I come down,
Figure out where you're gonna want to come out of.
all those spaces are all pretty big.
But you'll have to make it up as you go. Just do a couple, you know, practice approaches. Go up. No, he goes right for it. Oh my gosh, that was so good. That was so good. That was so good. Yeah, that was excellent.
Until the way out.
That was, dude. You got this.
Yeah, do it, Dave. I believe in you.
What?
Yeah.
What? Yes.
Yeah.
That was it. Woo! That was it. You nailed it.
It was sloppy, but I got it.
Doesn't matter. I was sick.
I thought that was really good.
I was so clean. Oh, different angle. There's your rope.
You got it. Oh, what? You cheated. What cheat code is he using? Up, down, left, right, what?
Power through it. Power through it.
Oh, there it is. Is that fun?
That's a lot of fun.
That was sick. How'd you get it? Oh,
I just literally that time, I put it in, I knew it was in the hole, and I just kind of leveled out and let it just drop.
So you guys did your first dives. You did your first dives.
Woo!
What'd you think?
Dive.
Yeah, you got it like first try. You struggled a little bit.
I struggled a bit.
What'd you struggle with?
It was the pressure. Hanging out with Latrip and Steele.
There's nothing to be pressure about.
It was pressure.
No pressure when
no
Steele
pressure.
just power loops it 3 or 4 times in a row.
He's just a show off.
We got there.
What was it like?
Yeah, thanks for the tips. I even got a roll through one at the end. I'll send you a clip of that.
Oh yeah, we gotta show you. They were nailing it. I mean, I was really impressed with how fast you picked it up. And that's like, you know, your local spot. You fly there all the time, right?
That's my local spot.
We're gonna wrap it into a racetrack at that spot next
Yeah,
time.
definitely.
Yeah. Oh, wrap the dive into a racetrack.
Oh, yes.
Throw them through a loop. See, these guys are mainly racers. They agreed to hang out with us, you know, lesser freestylers. We can't hit gates, but we can hit dives. But now they can hit dives. So
thanks to you guys.
I guess Steele and I are the ones that are falling behind here. Steele, you have to end the video. Give us one lasting tip about the ultimate dive.
I mean, all you gotta do...
It is all mental. Here's the truth, guys. Just do it. Be confident in yourself.
Don't
You get to hang out with people who know what they're doing.
It's not a Nike ad.
I'm zooming in on that beard.
Learn from the beard. It doesn't matter who you're out flying with. It doesn't matter who they are in the world. Listen to what they know and you'll learn. Yesterday I couldn't dive. Today I can do it.
Damn.
These guys.
That boy is just blowing all the smoke.
Dive, baby, dive.
Smoke though.
This is attempt number 2, but his flying won't be number 2.
No.
That's a poop joke.
It's good. I liked it.
Sorry, please edit that out. Please edit that out.